got my hair from K Hair. It's so fine. My bone straight is super fine. The quality is top notch. Can you see it? It's so fine. Wow, Hannah K Hair, thank you for making this hair for me. I really appreciate it. If you're not getting your bone straight from K Hair, you're missing. You are missing big time. Can you see how lush the hair looks? How shiny it looks? Whoa, it's so fine. Thank you, K Hair. Thank you, Hannah. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. I can't wait to do more business with you. I can't wait to order more. I can't wait to share your contacts for my friends. Thank you.